Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel Paramount subscription on Apple TV. So let's use this Paramount Plus support website in order for us to have a detailed and full guide. So launch your web browser and go to help.paramountplus.com/s, and then in the search bar, search for the keyword cancel. And then in the search results, click the first result that will show up. Let it load. Once it loads, since we are using an Apple TV, click the Apple TV for generation and later. After that, you will see the full steps. So first is to open settings. Second is to select users and accounts, then select your account. Third is to select subscriptions. And then fourth is to choose Paramount Plus, then select cancel subscription. If you don't see cancel subscription, then the subscription is already canceled and won't renew. So you can see here there's another one for Apple TV channels. Let's go over it. Click it. And then here for Apple TV channels, go to settings, go to users and accounts, your name, subscriptions, and select Paramount Plus. Follow the on-screen instructions to cancel your subscription. So basically that's it.